guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to you all. Thanks for joining me for this week's CVS deals video. This is the second week for this ad cycle, so whatever deals you did last week, you can repeat them again. And we go back the same mystery offers we had last week. Let's start this video off with some free cereal. Last week I shared the deal with the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, but the $2 offer for the Cinnamon Toast Crunch on Ibotta is no longer there. This week, pick up 2 of the Lucky Charms on sale for $1.99 each, and pick up 1 of the Cheerios on sale for $1.99. These 3 boxes will total $5.97. I have a $1 off 2 digital coupon for General Mills cereal, and I also received a 2 off 6 cereal CRT in my email. The coupon and the CRT will drop it down to $2.97. This is not giving back any extra care box, but submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents on each box. That's a total of $1.50 from Ibotta. Then check your fetch. I have 2 offers, and one of the offers is 1,500 points for buying 3, and the second one is 1,100 points for buying 5 boxes. But these 3 boxes will track towards that. After the 1,500 points from fetch and the $1.50 from Ibotta, these 3 boxes of cereal will end up being free. The next deal I have is spend 20 get 10 back, and Eucerin baby care and body lotion is part of this deal. Pick up the Eucerin baby eczema relief cream priced at $12.49, and pick up the intensive repair lotion priced at $7.49. These 2 will total $19.98, which is within the 98% rule for spend 20. If you have the $2 Eucerin tear pad, use 2 of them. And I also received a $2 off any hand and body lotion CRT in my email. That will take off $6. That's 2 of the coupons and the CRT, dropping it down to $13.98, and you get 10 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2.50 back on the baby cream, which will make both just $1.48 or 74 cents each. The next deal I have is spend 12 get $4 back on select Vaseline products. If your store is not tagged, check online because not all Vaseline products are included in this deal. Pick up 2 Vaseline body butter priced at $7.29, but when I check the app, it's priced at $6.99. If your store can modify the price, ask them. Picking up 2 will total $13.98. Use 2 $1 coupon from Unilever email. With each coupon they send to you, you can always get 2 prints. Add the $2 off any hand and lotion CRT I showed with the Eucerin deal. I'm sorry I forgot to show it with this deal. And that will take off $4, dropping it down to $9.98, and you get $4 back, making these 2 just $5.98 or $2.99 each. The next deal I have will be on Glide Floss. They are part of the buy 2 get 5 back, and the cheapest one I can find is $4.69, and that's the 75 counts. Pick up 2. The 2 will total $9.38. We only have $1 digital coupon that will drop it down to $8.38, and you get 5 back, making both packs just $3.38 or $1.69 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 6 back on any Gillette or Venus disposable razors or Gillette Satin Care Shave Gel, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Last week I shared the deal with women's shave gel. This week I have the men's shave gel. Pick up 2 of the Gillette shave gel priced at $5.19. One will be full price and the second one will be $2.60 because of the buy 1 get 1 half off. The 2 will total $7.79. We don't have any coupon for this, and the percentage of CRT will not work on this. But if you have a next purchase CRT, you can add this deal to it. Pay the $7.79 and get 6 back, making both just $1.79 or 90 cents each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 2 back, and Dove cleansing bars are part of this deal. There are so many other products in this deal, so choose whichever one you like. Pick up 2 Dove oat cleansing bar priced at $6.99 each. Both will total $13.98. We have a 5 off 2 Dove digital coupon that is attaching to these products. That will drop it down to $8.98, and you get 2 back, making both just $6.98 or $3.49 each. Or you can pick up the Dove Men Plus Care Cleansing Bar, also priced at $6.99 each. It's going to be the same math. Use the 5 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $8.98. Pay that and get $2 back, making both just $6.98 or $3.49 each. The next deal I have is buy any gold bond powder 7 to 10 ounces, get $2 extra care box back. The cheapest item I can find is priced at $10.49. Pick it up. We don't have any coupon for this item. Pay the $10.49 and get 2 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back for buying one, and that will make it just $6.99. Another way you can do this deal is if you have percentage of CRT and you don't mind paying out of pocket, you can use the percentage of CRT to make it even cheaper. Next deal I have is spend $15, get $3 back, and the Lysol products are included in this deal. They're on sale for buy one get one half off. Pick up the laundry sanitizer priced at $10.29, and to complete this deal, pick up the Lysol air sanitizer priced at $11.29. Since these items are on sale for buy one get one half off, the air sanitizer will be full price and the laundry sanitizer will be half off because it's cheaper, and it will be $5.14. These two will total $16.43. We have $3 digital coupon for the air sanitizer, and we have another $3 digital coupon for the laundry sanitizer. The two coupons will take off 6 and drop it down to $10.43, and you get 3 back, making both just $7.43 or $3.72 each. Another way you can do this deal is to pick up Airwick 2-count refill priced at $9.49, and we have $4 back on Ibotta. With the way this item is priced, picking up 2 will not get you to $15 or 98% to do the spend 15. What you can do is pick up 1 and add the laundry sanitizer priced at $10.29. The buy one get one half off will still work with these items even though they are 2 different products, and it will come off the Airwick because it's cheaper priced. These two will total $15.04. Use the $3 off Lysol laundry sanitizer digital coupon. It will drop it down to $12.04 and you get 3 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $4 back on the Airwick, and that will make these two just $5.04 or $2.52 each. I saw the Arctic Air originally priced at $40.49 on clearance for $10.12. If you have expiring extra care box that you don't know what to do with, or if you need a filler item for a threshold CRT, you can just pick it up. The next one I have will be the children's Advil, originally priced at $9.45, but right now my store have it on 50% off at $4.74. We don't have any coupon in the app that is attaching to this, but if you have any pen CRT, you can scan and make sure it attaches to it before you buy it. The next 3 items I have will be on Olay facial care products, and the first one will be the Olay cleanser, originally priced at $19.99, but right now it's on sale for $9.99. And when I scanned it, we have 2 coupons coming up, a $3 off and a $1 off. Using just the $3 off will drop it down to $6.99. The next one is the Olay eczema therapy, originally priced at $46.99, but right now it's on clearance for $23.49. And when I scan this item, we have 2 coupons, a $2 off and $8 digital coupon. Using the $8 off, we'll drop it down to just $15.49. And the last one is the Olay Sensitive Mineral Sunscreen, originally priced at $37.99, but right now it's on sale for $18.99. And with this one, when I scanned it, it showed a $2 digital coupon and a $6 digital coupon. But if you use the $6 off, it will drop it down to $12.99. One thing I almost forgot to mention with all 3 products is that they all expires next year. And whichever one you pick for this price can make a very good filler item. This concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.